How to fix Hamster Kombat request error. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Hamster Kombat request error. If you are encountering a request error in Hamster Kombat, it can be due to various reasons, such as connectivity issues, server problems, or configuration errors. Here's how you can fix this issue. First of all, you need to ensure that you are connected to the stable internet connection. If your internet is working fine, you can go to the device settings and clear the cache from there. For that, open your device settings and here in the space, scroll down to find applications. Once you find the applications, tap on it to open it. And here in the space, search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram application here, tap on the Telegram application to open it. And here you need to scroll down to find storage option. Tap on it. And from here you need to clear the cache. Tap on this clear cache at the bottom right and it will clear the cache. You may also clear the data. For that you need to tap on clear data from the left bottom and here tap on this clear cache. Again tap on clear cache to confirm. Once you have done that, come back to the previous page and here scroll up to find permissions. Once you find the permission options, tap on it to open it. And here make sure you have granted to the permission to all of these topics presented here. If not, you need to tap on each of them that has not allowed permission and then tap on this allow only while using this app option. Once you have selected it, again repeat the same process with other options. Now once you have allowed permission to all of them, come back to the previous page and now go to the Play Store of your device to check if there is any update available for Telegram. From this page, you may also tap on App Details in Store option at the very bottom and it will directly take you to the Google Play Store. If in case you don't have this option on your mobile device, you may also open your Google Play Store directly from your home screen and then at the search bar you can search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram application, tap on the icon and you will reach to this page. Here if you found the update button, go ahead and tap on the update button to start the update process. And once the application is up to date, you can tap on this open button right here to open the application. Here now you can tap on this play icon at the bottom left and open your Hamster Kombat. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix Hamster Kombat request error. If the issue is still persisting, then there may be some kind of server problems on Hamster Kombat. For that, you can come back to the Telegram homepage and here tap on the search icon at the top and there search for Hamster Kombat announcement. Once you have found it, you can tap on it to open it. In this group, you will find any notification or any message related to server problems of Hamster Kombat. If there is any problem going on, then you will need to wait until the issue resolves. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.